Dookie. Old Kinfolk.
Trying to get the damn Italians off of me.
What it is, Kinfolk? How you doing? Yeah, buddy, happy Monday to you. We outside with it. Yeah, buddy. Make sure you get yourself out here and get you some of this nature. Also eat you some nature too. That's a very important thing to do. I mean, very. Yeah. We out here though. Over here, over there. Over there, over here, over here. Over there. Over here, around there, up there, under there, over there. In there, out there. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. It's a beach day. I'm out here with some jeans on. Yeah, out here with some jeans on and a long shirt, baby. I'm about to get up out of this shirt. It's starting to get hot. It's not that bad out here though. Yeah. We out here letting it all soak in. Yeah, buddy. Get yourself outside when you get a chance. Dookie. I see some butt cheeks over there. I ain't gonna get that. Yeah, buddy. Go on.